us. You guys are announcing a big partnership today with VMware, with GitHub, an extension of your partnership with Apple. So first of all, how do you expect these partnerships to expand IBM's business?
Well, thanks for having me, Emily. Really appreciate it. Well, if you step back and take a look at what clients are trying to do, they're really trying to move to a hybrid cloud environment and take advantage of all of the investments they've made. So if you look at the partnerships we've announced, they're all around helping clients extend out from their current data centers out to the cloud and do it in a seamless and consistent fashion. And a lot of clients today are running very important applications that they want to take advantage and move some of it to the cloud, and they want to combine it in new and unique ways to support their business. And so the announcement of VMware today was we now have a consistent set of tools and a consistent, seamless way for clients to move their workloads from on-premise that's running on VMware's technology today over to the IBM cloud, and really make it easy for them to utilize the tools and the experiences that they already have. So that's value to the client. With GitHub, the announcement was around making GitHub available now for the enterprise. GitHub has over 12 million programmers that use the tools and technologies to build applications. That's always been a purview of the cloud. Now they can do it behind the firewall. So now they can use a consistent set of tools to build their private cloud and public cloud applications. And then with Apple, it was all around the Swift programming environment. Swift is utilized by over 11 million developers who build applications for mobile. And as you build the next generation of mobile applications, you want to be able to connect to your data and to your applications that you've already built. So we're the first cloud provider to take the Swift language and support it natively on the cloud.
Now, it's still early innings in the cloud business. Everyone acknowledges that. But some also say that you are a distant fourth when it comes to Amazon, Microsoft, and then Google in the race for the cloud. How do you change that?
Well, we don't look at it as a race for size. We look at it as a race for value. And we're very much focused in on the enterprise and focusing on helping clients take advantage of the hybrid cloud, which means they can take advantage of all of the cost advantages and capability advantages of the public cloud, but also connected back to their own private clouds and connected back to their data centers where still most of the data and applications are running. So what we say to clients is take advantage of that and build a hybrid application that takes advantage of what you already have. So our differentiation is a little different. We also bring new capability to the cloud that no one else has. And you think about our Watson cognitive services that run on the IBM cloud. The ability to take the data and analyze all that data that clients have is very, very important. Because when you think about the cloud, I don't view the cloud as a destination. I view the cloud as a platform, and that platform is for innovation. And what the cloud is enabling is people to do things in new and unique ways with data and information that they may not have had access to in the past.
So how much of IBM's cloud services is public versus private versus hybrid? Give me some numbers on the actual mix.
Well, if you look at the announcement for our results in 2015, our cloud business was over $10 billion. And our as-a-service business was over $4 billion. So we've got a good mix. And that's really representative of the mix of where clients are investing today. And like you said, we're still in the very early innings of a long-term transition that's going on with clients. And what we're trying to do is, with our partnerships and with our investment, make sure that we can help the client make that transformation. And that transformation will be hybrid. And some clients will move more to make sure business value.
Guys, looks like
and
we're
that they can do new and unique things.
Looks like we're having some trouble, Robert. Stand by with your shot coming out of Las Vegas. I'm just going to ask you one more question. I want to talk to you about the revenue sharing. You know, you talked about the mix of the actual business, but how does the revenue sharing model work with VMware and with GitHub? How is this actually adding to IBM's bottom line?
Well, it's got it. We are going to market, sell the VMware portfolio. So we'll go to the IBM clients and we'll enable the IBM team to sell that capability. And VMware, obviously, it's their revenue. But when they start to move workloads over to the IBM cloud, obviously, that is revenue for IBM. So that helps us open up the market and open up what clients can do on the cloud. And that helps both VMware and IBM because it gives clients choice and it gives them the ability to consistently and seamless move workloads. We think this will help our clients accelerate, and that'll accelerate their investment that they make in this notion of the hybrid cloud.
How many developers are currently using IBM's cloud services?
Well, we've got our Bluemix services, and we've got well over 1 million developers on that platform today. But when you add the number of GitHub programmers and you add the number of Swift programmers, all these programmers now have access to capability and services. As an example, through the IBM Cloud Platform, they can get access to all of our Watson cognitive services. And we're starting to see some really unique applications being built, not only by traditional clients, but new startups. In fact, today, as we kicked off our conference, I started it with the clients. They actually kicked it off. And there was one client, Modus, which is a startup, who are using Watson cognitive services to provide new and unique insight and analytics into the way traders trade. So we're starting to see a lot of people come from different, whether it's mobile or the enterprise, coming together. So when you look at the number of developers, you've got to think about developers all coming from all of these various sides and all utilizing the cloud. And like I said, it's becoming a platform for innovation rather than just a destination.